Welcome to the brand new video of Everything We Believe in Universe. For now, I am your host Kusmakar Pan presenting to you. I hope that you would like it. So please push the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let us come straight to the topic, that is energy intelligence. We focus on the issues that matter today and gain insight into the political and technological issues that will shape tomorrow. So the context we provide makes it critical guide to energy intelligence in the ever-changing world of energy. As the industry faces the challenge of adapting to energy in-depth knowledge of energy, markets and policies and technology will prepare you to make intelligent decisions. So let's see what is energy intelligence. This comprehensive knowledge you have about the delivery, usage, reliability, benchmarking, resilience and total cost of all goods, including electricity, natural gas, renewable gas, water and sewage. Simply put, this collective knowledge comes from a variety of sources that can act and make a best decision while conserving valuable energy and water resources while optimizing facilities and operations. Traditionally, data sources and site information systems can provide a particular piece that have been ignored. But now, more than ever, the cost and the consumption of a particular system and their overall sustainability. We want an overall view to identify how it affects profitably. An energy intelligence system is an entity that has significant energy and water budget, equipment, assets, numerous building and utility meters, such as government, military, higher education, public housing, hospitals, medical facilities, industry, retail, etc. So till now, if you haven't liked, share, comment on this video, please do it. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the regular updates on my video. So, what happens when bits meet kilowatt? Efficiency begins. Energy intelligence was born from the combination of computer knowledge, bit and energy, kilowatt, that became known in 2009 when an experimental laboratory for photovoltaic technologies was designed in Fiorano Modenese. Compared to other players, energy intelligence has previously introduced specific knowledge at organizational model and technology platform to monitor and manage energy flows for the laboratory data collection. From this experience, energy intelligence was born in 2013 with the aim of making an accumulated know-how available to energy producers and consumers. The cornerstone of the energy intelligence business model is a proprietary technology platform capable of collecting, tracking and regulating energy flows. Initially, the platform, which specializes in the photovoltaic energy industry, was also extended to systems that use energy. In fact, Aberdeen's most recent research, Energy Intelligence Driving Optimization and Visibility, found that cost reduction remains the most important pressure for companies to focus on energy, followed by the need to obtain a competitive advantage. Research by the Aberdeen Group has consistently shown over the past 3 years that cost is the primary driver for the industrial organizations. Interestingly, compared to last year's study, managing coal and energy in manufacturing operations, where cost pressures were 68%, this year's results showed that slightly higher emphasis on cost. This is especially critical in an energy intensive plant where the energy costs often exceed 25% of total operating costs. The ability to reduce a small percentage of total energy consumption can result in significant savings. Now let's come to the benefits of energy intelligence systems. From improving operational efficiency, reducing energy consumption and costs, and tracking the real-time progress of sustainable developmental goals, energy smart systems have many benefits. They provide the ability to benchmark existing equipment or building energy using and comparing data to historical consumption. They can measure and verify savings achieved on energy and capital projects. They can help with efforts to reduce building carbon footprint and export the usage data reporting to Energy Start registered portfolio manager and similar based on clients' needs. It can address data reporting, automated analytics and graphics for C-level and facility level staff. Identify and track billing errors, wrong bill, meter changes, payment not correctly applied on a bill, misreading of meters or on a bill, or bills not adding up. Offer rate analysis, cost of utilities, commodities, distribution and other changes. Provide bill consolidation, aggregate bills and meters for holistic look into optimized rates. Offer the ability to identify consumption issues, anomalies in the consumption as compared to prior billing usage. Check and correct rate plans. Allow one-click bill payments. Map commodity meter locations for ease of the identification and management across a town, state or country. Provide a year-over-year variance analysis. The automated utility billing ecosystem is a comprehensive tool for identifying, organizing, and coordinating the cost aspects of energy and water use. Other advantages include the ability to proactively identify opportunities that can save consumers money and the ability to benchmark location by commodity, utility, tariff, usage, cost, unit, demand, and load factor. What inspires individuals who are dedicated to improving the living conditions of current and future generation is that AI and energy are in mutually exclusive career paths. In fact, as computing power, data collection, and storage capabilities grow exponentially every year, the links between them are getting closer and closer. According to Dan Walker, who leads the emerging technology team of BP Technology Group, artificial intelligence is driving the fourth industrial revolution and is the potential to help achieve and higher levels of performance. So there arises the basic question, why does the energy grid need to be modernized? In 1882, Thomas Alva Edison opened the first power plant in the United States at Pearl Street Station in Lower Manhattan, providing electricity to 59 customers. Since then, the customer base has expanded to hundreds of millions of users, but the overall structure has not been modernized. It consists of a huge network of plants, transmission lines, distribution centers, including approximately 5,800 power plants and more than 2.7 million miles of transmission lines. The high cost of infrastructure and distribution lines and strict government regulations naturally create the opportunities for monopolistic companies to develop into the market. Therefore, three independent US power grids transmit electricity under the authorization to provide low-cost, reliable energy as a public product. In the US, the average age of power plants is more than 30 years and the average age of power transformers is 40 years. According to the Federal Task Force responsible for the investigation, this deteriorating power transmission system caused a major power outage in the Northeast in 2003, which was the largest failure in American history. And an overloaded transmission line sagged and hit a tree. 50 million people were cut off for several days. Instances like this will happen if a knockout effect on the entire regional power grid and bring difficult tasks to the utility companies that are difficult to manage. How can the energy grid be modernized? To solve these problems, the US Department of Energy DOE has set up the smart grid as a national grid policy, which requires an automatic supply power grid, monitoring and controlling each consumer node and ensuring the two-way flow of power and information. Since 2010, the US Department of Energy has invested 4.5 billion US dollars in smart grid infrastructure and has installed more than 15 million smart meters to monitor the energy usage of each device and alert utilities to local power outages. It is estimated that although the total energy demand in the United States is expected to increase by 25% in 2050, the plan will limit the increase in the peak of power load of the grid to only 1%. Artificial intelligence will become the brain of the future smart grid. The technology will continue to collect and synthesize massive data from millions of smart sensors across the country in order to make timely decisions on how to best allocate resources. In addition, advances in deep learning algorithms, a system where machines learn by themselves from delivering patterns and abnormalities in large data sets, will completely change both the supply and demand sides of the energy economy. As a result, large regional power grids will be replaced by specialized microgrids that manage the energy demand with finer resolution. These can be combined with new battery technologies to allow electricity to continue to flow into the flow between local communities even when the inclement weather or power outages affect the wider power system. On the demand side, consumers' smart meters, including homes and businesses, and sensors and transmission lines will be able to continuously monitor demand and supply. In addition, a briefcase-sized device is called the synchronous phaser, which can measure the content through the grid in real time, enabling operators to actively manage and avoid interruptions. These sensors will communicate with the grid and adjust power consumption during off and peak hours, thereby reducing the workload of the grid and lowering the consumer prices. Google recently applied this artificial intelligence technology to reduce the total power consumption of its data center, thereby saving millions of dollars. On the supply side, artificial intelligence will allow the United States to transition to an energy mix, increase the production of the renewable resources, and minimize the natural intermittent interruption of the resources due to variable sunlight and wind and intensity. For example, when renewable energy is operating above the certain threshold, whether it is due to increased wind or sunny days, the grid will produce the power of fossil fuels, thereby limiting greenhouse gas emissions. During periods of sub-peak renewable energy generation, the situation is opposite. So, all the energy can be used as effectively as possible and rely on fossil fuels when only necessary. In addition, producers will be able to manage energy output from multiple sources to match social, spatial, and temporal changes in demand in real time. One more question to ask: are there concerns in the future smart grid? One of the main problems of the smart grid is the increasing use of information and communication technology, which relies on the internet and computing and processing capabilities to operate. In recent years, the industry has become a major source of greenhouse gas emissions as the company has turned machine operation and the use of internet has increased by 30 to 40% every year. In order to produce the amount of data required to operate a smart grid, additional machines and computing power will be required. And the impact of energy consumption on the environment's further generate greenhouse gas emissions will definitely increase. Therefore, participants in the artificial intelligence energy grid will need to solve this problem. Fortunately, industry leaders are aware of this challenge and are ready to taking steps into the right direction. The industry's three major greenhouse gas emitters, computer manufacturers, data centers, and telecommunications companies, are seeking to reduce emissions in a variety of ways. For example, computer manufacturers are investing in the new hard disk drives, screens, and fuel cells. Data centers are monitoring temperature, pooling resources, and studying cloud computing. Telecommunication companies are studying network optimizations, solar based stations, and fiber optics. If the smart grid can use fossil fuel in the efficient way by increasing the integration of the renewable sources, as those technologies come to advance in complexity and capabilities, the entire system may be able to reduce its carbon footprint. Despite the certainties associated with the future technological innovations, we can optimistically expect that system smart grid will reduce electricity bills and prevent catastrophic blackouts by optimizing supply and demand at the local and national levels. For those who wish to make a difference in shaping the future of the society, the interface between artificial intelligence and energy is a good starting point. Technological innovation is a completely changing out our view of these two industries, and their integration is still in the early stages. Their synergy may change the world in ways we never knew it, and they are ready to innovate to leave their mark. Okay, so that was it. Thank you for so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the new video updates. Any feedback, good or bad, is welcome. Just please comment below. Your suggestions will be taken into account. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Till then, it is your host and friend Kusmakar Pant signing off. Bye bye. Thank you.